In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a document using Pandadoc, a versatile platform for managing and sharing documents effortlessly. Whether you're starting from scratch or have a document ready, Pandadoc makes the process straightforward and efficient. Let's dive in. To begin, you'll need to create or load your document. If you're starting fresh, you can create a new document directly within Pandadoc. Alternatively, if you have an existing document that you need to work on, you can upload it from various sources, including your computer, Google Drive, Dropbox, or even from a previously saved Pandadoc template. Having these options ensures that you can work with documents across multiple platforms, streamlining your workflow regardless of where your files are stored. Next, it's time to add the recipients. Navigate to the Recipients section within Pandadoc. Here, you'll input the contact information of the individuals you intend to send the document to, typically their email addresses. One useful feature of Pandadoc is the ability to assign roles to recipients. This can be particularly helpful if your document requires actions from different people, like a manager's approval or a client's signature. If you have predefined roles set in your Pandadoc account, assigning them is quick and easy, contributing to a more organized and efficient document handling process. Once you've added the necessary recipients, the next step involves choosing how you want to deliver your document. Pandadoc offers flexibility here, allowing you to send documents via email, SMS, or both. Depending on your audience or the urgency of the document, this choice gives you the opportunity to ensure your recipients receive and view the document using their preferred method. After selecting your delivery method, it's time to customize your delivery options, which is an important step to personalize your communication. If you've chosen email delivery, you'll have the chance to adjust the subject line, making it clear and relevant to your recipient. You can also add a personalized message, providing context or instructions about the document. Additionally, you can configure other email settings, such as setting up automatic reminders, which can be a helpful nudge for recipients who might need a reminder to take action. For SMS deliveries, you have the option to send a text message in addition to the email, broadening your document's reach and ensuring your message is seen in a timely manner. Finally, with all these settings and options in place, the last step is to send the document. Simply click Send, and your document will be on its way to your recipients, ready for review or action. By following these steps, you ensure that your document is effectively prepared and delivered with the versatility and efficiency that Pandadoc offers. Thanks for watching, and happy document sending.